I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground.
Yeah, this is look number one. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I used to really hate wig band. I just thought like why? But now I'm starting to see I'm starting to get the hype of it. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be working with this new wig style. This is called a wig band. It's called wig band. The company that I'm working for is called Dola hair, as you guys can see right here. Yes guys, so in the back of the package it show you guys how to maintain the hair, how to brush it and stuff like that. So this is a pretty cute box, as you guys can see. I'm gonna open up. When you open, this is exactly what it looks like. Yes, so let me show you guys. This comes with headbands. They have this one. It comes with this, you know, for you to tie your edges down. It comes with a cheetah one. This is cute. A red and white one. Of course, comes with a comb for you to use it, and also a hairbrush and a wig band, of course, and the details of the hair. So we're gonna be opening the wig band, the comb. Sorry guys. As you guys can see right here, it's a mirror, guys. You know, that's right. This is so cute. Comes in this cute pink package or different colors. I'm not sure if they come in different colors, but when you open, this is what it looks like. Ta-da! So I'm excited, guys. This nose person is bothering me so much. Anyways, this is what the hair looked like. I opened the hair before, of course. This is a straight hair, as you guys can see. This is what the texture looks like. And of course, it's soft. It does not shed at all. And this is what the band looks like, as you guys can see. Let me move closer. Yeah, guys. So also, it comes with straps, band straps, so you can adjust it. If you have a big head like me, if you don't have a big head, you know. Period. Also comes with band. With clippings, as you guys can see. I'm gonna move closer so you guys can see. And yes guys, this is exactly what the texture of the hair looks. See, it's very bouncy. I'm gonna be putting everything about the company, the inches down below. So let's start with the video. I'm gonna be doing my edges. You know guys, I'm not good with it. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I permed my edges. Yeah, I did it. I permed my edges. Don't ask me why. I just wanted to perm my edges. Oh my god. Okay, anyways guys, that was for thumbnail. So we're gonna be doing our edges. I'm not really good at it. We're gonna be trying, y'all. Don't judge me. We're gonna be trying out here. Yeah guys, I tried. What we're gonna do is we are gonna be using this right here. We're gonna lay down. We're gonna leave it for a few minutes just to see how is it gonna be working. And yes guys, let's try and see. Exactly what it looks like. Ooh. Their headband. I'm gonna be using their headband right here. As you guys see, I love it. Right here, the hair is a little bit straight. I'm gonna be pouring water. So basically, when you go to this is also good for the pool. I'm gonna be spraying here so you guys see that the hair do get curly in the water. See, as you guys see right here, I did not skip the video, and the hair is basically starting to get curly, as you guys see right here. Getting curly. I didn't use nothing, no product. So this is good for cool time, for summertime, you know. If you're going to Miami, you don't want to do your hair, you can use any headband of your choice. And as you guys see right here, it's starting to get curly and it's gonna get really wavy later on. Closer so you guys can take a look. So when the hair is wet, it starts to get curly, as you guys can see right here. I would highly recommend to get it. As you guys see, this hair went from being straight to curly, and then when it gets dry, it starts to get wavy. So yes guys, okay, so guys, I did a ponytail, I did a bun, as you guys can see. It was very easy to do a bun. Now I'm gonna be switching up to another headband. Okay, so ladies, when the hair starts to get really wet, this is what it looks like. This is a really good hair. I would highly, you know, recommend it to you guys. And yes guys, don't forget to like and also subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check it out. Everything about the brand is gonna be under the description below. And yes guys, this is basically what the hair looks like from the back. This is what it looks like, the hair. And you can also, you know, do a ponytail. It's really up to you.